Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make creme brulee step by step. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need 4 large egg yolks, 2 cups of heavy cream, and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a small pinch of salt to enhance the flavors. Also, have your 4 ramekins, a baking dish, and a kitchen torch prepared for the upcoming steps. Now, let's craft the delicious custard base. In a bowl, whisk your 4 egg yolks with 1/4 cup of the granulated sugar until the mixture becomes light and creamy. In a separate saucepan, gently heat the heavy cream with the remaining 1/4 cup of sugar until it just begins to simmer. Slowly pour the hot cream into the egg yolk mixture, whisking constantly to temper the eggs. Finally, stir in the vanilla extract and salt. It's time to bake our custards to perfection. Carefully pour the prepared custard mixture evenly into your 4 ramekins. Place these ramekins into a larger baking dish. Now, fill the baking dish with hot water, creating a water bath that reaches about halfway up the sides of the ramekins. Bake this at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 30 to 40 minutes, until the edges are set but the centers still have a slight jiggle. For the grand finale, we'll add the signature brulee. First, ensure your baked custards are thoroughly chilled, ideally for at least 4 hours or even overnight. Just before serving, sprinkle 1 to 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar evenly over the top of each chilled custard. Then, use a kitchen torch to caramelize the sugar until it forms a beautiful, golden brown, bubbly crust. Serve immediately and savor that satisfying crack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.